In Season 3, we have been on a deep dive into ways semiosis can be applied into design or illustration work. The episodes this season have also led you all to a surprising revelation that you have always been semiotic encoders. Ideation, ideation, ideation. With our turn from interpretation and encoding to ideation, episodes 3.8 to 310 took us into a client's brief, 3.8, your first semiotic idea, 3.9, and then semiotic sketching, 310. These episodes were grouped into a sub-theme of semiotic sketching and demonstrated how iconic representation has always been present within sketching ideas. See? I told you have always been doing this. In these 3 episodes, I consolidated the interpretive effect on the mind of the audience, how a basic semiotic sign encodes meaning, even if only as a weak quality, with how creators begin any design or illustration job, with a rough, sketched idea. I took the opportunity to also introduce more of Peirce's theory into this conversation in designer-centric terms. Check out episodes in Omnibus 3.3, Semiotic Sketching. In Season 4, we will play a game of 20 questions. Each episode will answer a specific question on applying semiotics. This is about gaining knowledge to develop your own semiotic frame of mind. Applying semiosis in your ideation stages of sketching first needs a lateral step in understanding that semiotics is natural. These 20 Season 4 questions will be grouped into 6 sub-themes, which will help you step your way forward a new semiotic frame of mind. In designer-centric terms and context, Peirce's semiosis happens between the client, the creative, and the audience at a macro level. So there will be 3 episodes preparing your creative mind to this by focusing on simply things as micro semiotic interrelationships. 4.7, how will audiences commit their attention? Yes, audiences and designers are in a looping semiotic relationship. 4.8, how do we hook more audience awareness? Creatives can semiotically enhance how audiences visually engage. 4.9, how does imagination visually aid meaning? Things can be your semiotic meaning-bearing allies. Then we will be ready for the audience's turn. This season's theme was encoding semiotic science. Therefore, I applied last season's Semiotic Rosetta Stone metaphor theme into applying Peirce within visual communication. Season 3 also became the first season that could be watched months ahead of YouTube by becoming a Semiosis 101 producer with a Patreon membership. That means by the time you are watching this episode of YouTube, Patreon producers are already watching Season 4 episodes or even Season 5.